Good evening, everyone. Some of the queries were coming to me, so I thought to record this video and send it to my friend. Number one query was there regarding Oasis receipt. So if Oasis receipt is not generated, need not to worry, because this Oasis receipt only will be generated once last date is over and you have paid certain fines. If you haven't paid certain fine, of course the last date is still not gone, and we are uploading this Oasis data, so need not to worry. So you are not requiring any kind of receipt. Already once you submit, the data will be automatically synced with the date and time. Second query comes for the third language in class 10. If you are not submitting the third language detail of your students for class 10, then of course pass certificate for students will not be generated at any cost. Maybe children are scoring 100% marks, but they will not be receiving their pass certificate. So third language is a compulsory subject to be updated. Now it comes, what is third language? Third language means if a child is studying in class 10, probably you have given one language English, one Hindi. So in 9 and 10, child is not studying third language. But most of the states, they run third language till class 8. For example, in UP, third language, most of the schools are running like Urdu, French or Sanskrit. First language, of course, they have English and Hindi. Second language, third language, they are giving options like Urdu, French, Sanskrit, etc. It is tradition. In some other states, they are giving their regional languages like Malayalam, then Punjabi, then Kannada, then all these languages which are there in the states, they are offering. So third language will be that. If third language is filled for this year class 10, it means students have passed third language in year 2019, because in 2019 they were in class 8 with third language, and now they are in class 10. They will be appearing in examination 2021. So third language will be that language which they have studied in class 8, and that is a compulsory requirement for submission of LOC. Last third point which I wanted to share today is regarding the digital signature. This year CBSE has already written several times for the digital signature, and they have updated also, but due to some support, or you can say that CBSE is giving liberty for this particular year, the digital signature will not be required. So what we need to do is only we need to submit our data accurately. Once you submit it, the data will be locked, and whatever online submission is done will be considered as final submission. Your digital signature is not requiring this year, but suggestions are given that please get your digital signature under organization category, which is B class organization category, from some government agency made. You need to get your digital signature made from some government organization under organization category, B class organization category. So this is where you need to be ready. So these 3 points we have discussed. Finally, when we are submitting our LOC, first you go through the LOC, which the details you have filled it up. Once you submit, the payment will be done, and after payments are done, then you will be generating final LOC, and then signature of students and parents are to be done, and afterward you need to keep that LOC's print out in school record only. We need not to send it to CBSE at all. We need not to send it to CBSE at all. So keep it with you. Once this is the process is done, your data will be submitted, so further it will not be required to be sent to CBSE. So first point which we discussed regarding Oasis receipt will not be generated if it is submitted on time, need not to worry. Second is third language for class 10 is mandatory. And third is digital signature. Of course, this time CBSE is not asking, but for future reference, you need to be ready with the digital signature. This will be an additional support if you are already ready with the digital signature under organization category of B class, that too be made from some government organization. Thank you with this note.